Welcome to an introduction to the Inzata Data Management and Analytics Platform. We created the Inzata platform in response to a phenomenon we started to notice about 7 years ago. That data was being generated and collected by organizations of all sizes at an unprecedented and growing rate. This growth was a result of many evolving factors, which included new systems and applications coming online, as well as mobile devices, the digitization of previous manual business processes, and IoT and sensors as well. What this has led to is a significant amount of this data, upwards of 90%, not making its way into any kind of analytics environment, data warehouse, or data mart where it could be used to support decision-making or business intelligence initiatives. Oftentimes, it remains in the source systems or the repositories where it was first created and never makes its way through to any of these analytics environments. This is, of course, a problem because many organizations, leaders, executives, stakeholders, would like to be more data-driven. They like to use more of their data assets to propel their business forward, improve competitiveness, and improve decision-making at all levels. But the challenge continues to be, how do we get our arms around all of this data and do it efficiently? Which is what led us to the vision for the Inzata platform. We wanted to create a platform that would enable businesses of all sizes to be able to work with big data in a very efficient way, without having to go out and hire an army of technologists and SQL programmers. In fact, Inzata was designed to be used by regular, ordinary business people who otherwise know what kinds of questions they want to answer. They just lack the technical skills to be able to get at the data and work at it. This is the bridge that Inzata provides. The other thing we wanted to do with Inzata was take advantage of emerging technologies in the artificial intelligence and machine learning space to improve the efficiency of working with data by automating as many of the manual processes that normally go along with big data. For example, data quality, data preparation, data integration. And this, in fact, is Inzata's primary value proposition, that we are the fastest way to go from raw data to a functioning analytics environment, whether that's a data warehouse, a data mart, or dashboards in the hands of your executives, faster than any other platform or tool on the market. Traditionally, it would take you several months if you wanted to create an enterprise data warehouse. That would usually be composed of consultants coming in and analyzing the data, profiling it. With Inzata, we completely eliminate this step. Our automation empowers regular, ordinary business users to simply by connecting to different data sources, be able to organize those data sources into meaningful, integrated enterprise business models, and then be able to ask questions of those models, get those questions answered, and share those results with their colleagues. All about 1,000 times faster than the traditional process shown on the left. Now let's take a deeper look at some of Inzata's top features. Inzata has a very robust connector architecture, which includes app and API connectors for over 800 different products and data endpoints out there, which means Inzata is going to be able to connect to just about any kind of data, any size of data in any location, whether it's housed in an application or in a database or in a file. Inzata's drag and drop inflow tool is where you'll go to create real-time data pipelines using those different connectors to integrate and organize all of your different data sources and get that data flowing into your new data warehouse on a recurring basis, automating every step. Once all the data sources have been connected to and loaded, we next go to InModeler. InModeler is Inzata's AI-powered data modeling tool, which walks the user through the process of integrating each and every one of those disparate data sets into a single, unified, integrated enterprise data model. This will then enable report writers and people querying the data to be able to use literally any of the fields across all of the different data sets without having to worry about where those fields originally came from. It is treated as one single unified model and is great for modeling out complex entities within your organization, such as customers or transactions. As soon as that model has been created and verified, you now have a data warehouse. You can now introduce users into this environment who can use Inzata's visuals tools to begin creating their first reports, dashboards, and interactive data applications. That happens here using Inzata's data visualization tools, where you can create dashboards and reports using over 800 different chart and widget types, or you can use your favorite SQL-based data visualization tool. From there, the possibilities are virtually unlimited. You can continue creating your reports and artifacts and start sharing them with your business users across your organization, or you can also push the entire data warehouse structure out to another cloud data warehouse such as Snowflake or Azure or Google BigQuery. In May of 2020, after a 7-month-long review, Gartner named Inzata one of its cool vendors in data management for 2020. And they had this to say, that Inzata was one of the quickest and lowest cost ways to connect, ingest, analyze, and share data across the enterprise. If you believe Inzata can help you achieve your goals of using more of your data in your day-to-day operations and helping your business become more data-driven overall, please visit us at inzata.com.